Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to additional settings. After that we should click to the gesture shortcuts, and to launch Google Assistant from power button we should click here once on the switcher. Now just click to start Google Assistant to start using it, and now by press and hold power button we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. If you want to turn it off, just click here once again on the switcher, and now by press and hold the power key we can activate the power off menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.